Yo, we back. Alright. In the random ride number 1 video I did, at the end of the video, I did not get to complete my bike check, so we're gonna do that right now. Alright. Just a little video from what I got. Alright, first of all, the bars, we got Link's Kink. I don't know, about a 5.5 rise, I don't know. Cult Grips, Cult Steam. Don't know what kind of forks, but I believe there's Link's Kink forks. I don't know if that's such a thing, but I think they're kink forks. I don't know. That's the only thing I don't know about this bike. We got fake crank arms. We got Cult pedals. Whitman stickers. Shout out to Whitman's bike ride shop. We got Subversive stickers. Shout out to Subversive. We got a pivotal bully bike sprocket. Oh, the frame. The DK Fignius. It's spray painted. The bars and the forks in the frame is spray painted. We got kink spacers. Alright, we got Cult tires. That's my tread. It's Cult tires. About 40 psi. Run them in both. We got another Cult matching front rim tire. Alright, for the rims, I don't know how to pronounce it. Get a good look. If anybody in the comment section, leave me, what is that? Is that a good brand? This is my rim. Quando? I don't know. But it's a good ass rim. It's loud. And we also got the Confederate flag tire caps. Then got a matching Confederate flag tire cap. DK front rim, double walled sill. It's a good rim. And yeah, that completes my bike check. Hope you guys like it. And oh yeah, one more thing. Right here, Odyssey. But there's something wrong with my headset, I don't know. And it's all sealed. Everything in the frame is sealed. Alright guys, see you later.